How to set up two-factor verification on ByBit. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily set up two-factor verification on your ByBit app. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up the app and make sure that your account is logged in. And then from here you just want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom top left corner. Now from here you just tap on the gear icon on the top right to open up your settings. Here tap on security and you will have an option to turn on Google 2FA authentication. Just toggle this on and it will send you a request code on your email. So just tap on get code and paste the code from your email right here. Once you enter your code here, it will ask you to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap on continue and you will get a key right here. You just have to copy this. So now you will just have to open up your Google Authenticator app. The screen is going to turn black because Google Authenticator does not allow screen records for security reasons, but I'm just going to briefly tell you what to do. So once you open up your Authenticator app, make sure to log into your account and on the bottom right corner you will see a plus icon, and if you tap on it you'll have an option to enter a setup key. So just paste the code that you just copied right here, enter the name of your key as ByBit or something that you can remember, and once you do that you just tap on add, and once you add you just have to copy the code from your Google Authenticator and set it up on your ByBit. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.